fallow deer bucks have gathered to fight for the right to mate, advertising their presence by roaring. They were introduced in the 11th century by the Normans and initially kept in private parks. But they soon escaped and spread across much of the British Isles. The does watch on. They're likely to mate with the biggest and most persistent roarer here, but the choice is theirs. Some males thrash the undergrowth, and antlers become adorned with foliage. This young buck has yet to impress, but he hangs around the edges just in case. The frequency and quality of a buck's roar is an indication that he's in good condition. But if a challenger approaches, the next step is the parallel walk. If it's an obvious mismatch, they might still save their energy. But this looks as if it could be a fair fight. The bucks can weigh up to 100 kilos. In the pandemonium, other males join the battle. As they fight, the does sidle away. They join the small male on the edge of the wood. Although his technique still needs a little improvement, this could be the young buck's lucky day.